Hello, Achlan, ceoil ver fad, seisiún go Ventura. Sorry for the slight delay there. I was just about to get things going, and of course, I broke a string. String broke on the guitar, so I had to change it there. So that's why I was a little bit late. But we whack straight into the music. So delighted to see myself, and of course the other lads will be in a few minutes' time. The other lads will be in a few minutes' time. We are excited, as we always are every Thursday, to play many songs and have a bit of a chat and, you know, enjoy the Christmas spirit and everything like that. So we'll play a little. I'm going to play a few more Christmas songs tonight for the crack. We'll start off maybe with, I wonder where we start off. No, we won't. I'll come into them later on. I'll start off with a couple of show ones. So this first one is one that I actually really enjoy starting with. But but you can guess. Let's see who can guess in the comments. What song am I going to start with? See. What is it? Tell me what it is. Tell me please what it is. But just want to say a massive shout out to everybody who supports us all the time. You guys are like really help us through everything. We had a great meeting earlier on with one of our producers for the album, and we're getting things in order. We've got like the track list pretty much sorted, most of the tracks recorded. It's literally just a case of putting it all together and sending it off. So we are so close. A couple of things to finish off that when we will be in studio for that next weekend, actually, would you believe? And it's going to be great. It's going to be really great. We're looking forward to it, and we cannot wait for you to hear it. We have a name also, and that will be kind of releasing soon enough. So keep an eye out for that. Anyone have any guesses as to the name? You'll never guess it. I'd be very surprised if anyone managed to guess the name. But if you want to fire in a few guesses, we don't mind. We actually enjoy that kind of crack. So do fire in a few guesses, see what you might think it could be, and we'll all have fun in the meantime. So here we go. Alan Kelly is correct with the song I'm going to play. Dame Hilary Strip is also correct. Maria Malm is correct. Kay is correct. Nicky O'Brien with an interesting one. I think I could try something like that. I might be able to do a bit of an owl. Might be able to do a bit of a mashup maybe. It could be a good shout. But yeah, we'll give it a go. Welcome everybody. Enjoy the show. Carolum Sheyamanish Trialer Yachtachli Higlam a Hishkin so Yachli Gunsitsu Seku want to win me web is come mer tasam kutuk to humerish Your boots are bare to lum sa wish lum khri and pasha khoshin plile hulus na green hey slum story on the hits in the blockinishin na be poor hashatau and border we trust the long that only lile gafa noch dan go the valach hey go the valach hey is begach road Shasanish gan more run stro it what ni siskus mishani smooth all up Tastin sheepos dead into love sound Islam khri pasha khoshin plile hulis na cream Islam story don't I hits in the blockinishin na be poor hashata born of trust the what that only lile khafa noch dan Go the bhealach hain. Go the bhealach hain. Is be gachrod. Not to stay without Kev. Is Peter, let's squeal and law. 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 Oh, is Peter, let's squeal and law. Is Peter, let's squeal and law. We're squealing and law. Lo, nu da hits in the blocky nishin, na be poor hashetau. And born of its fast to wacht only, Nile Hoffan noch dan. Go the bhealach hain. Go the bhealach hain. Speak achrod. Vi hat nif na gena, ein even ik tarings le gela. Shulashly, we'll take in a dana. Love and love is Peter, break your wagon. Oh, 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 Skakela, vi as na greine. Skakela, vi rab na spade. Skakela, vi as na greine. Skakela, vi rab na spade. Tip the tip, ik vol op sig boos. Dat is een spree, I got it with love. A Creole, Montana, McGonny. Die kusmor zullen het barstien. Oh, oh. So, for this next bit, we're going to do a little bit of Lugandan language, okay? So I don't know if there's many people listening from Uganda, but if you are, I hope I'm not ruining the language or pronouncing something wrong. When we were in Iowa about 2 years ago now at this stage, we were able to we met up with somebody there who was from Kampala in Uganda, and she was able to affirm that we weren't too far off with the pronunciation. So it goes like this, I'll slow down. We start slow and then we go. Kwekate bwebugumu, kwekate bwebugumu, kwekate bwebugumu, kwekate bwebugumu, kwekate bwebugumu. So try that. Kwekate bwebugumu, kwekate bwebugumu, kwekate bwebugumu. So I'm saying is kwekate, which means unity. And then I'm saying bwe, which I suppose means is, I think. And then the last word is bugumu, which means strength, loidracht. And I feel like bugumu sounds like it means strength, so it's a good word. Kwekate bwe bugumu, kwekate bwe bugumu, kwekate bwe bugumu, kwekate bwe bugumu, kwekate bwe bugumu. We got the baby boom, 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 We got the baby boom moo. We got the baby boom moo. We got the baby boom moo. Oh oh. Oh 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 oh. Oh 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 oh. You ready for one last dance? Oh yeah. Scoil fui as na greine, scoil fui rat na spade, scoil, 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 scoil. I was 19 when I came to town. They called it the summer of love. We were burning babies, burning flags, the hawks against the doves. I took a job in the steamy down on Caltrum Street, and I fell in love with the laundry girl that was working next to me. She was a rare thing, fine as a bee's wing, so fine a breath the wind might blow her away. She was a lost child, she was running wild. She said, as long as there's no price in love, I'll stay. You wouldn't want me any other way. You! Brown hair zigzag around her face and a look of half surprise, like a fox caught in the headlights. There was animal in her eyes. She said, young man, oh can't you see, I'm not the factory kind, and if you don't take me out of here, I'll surely lose my mind. She was a rare thing, fine as a bee's wing, so fine I bet the wind might blow her away. She was a lost child, she was running wild. She said, as long as there's no price in love, I'll stay. You wouldn't want me any other way. We bust around the market towns and we pick fruit down in Kent, and how we could tinker lamps and pots and knives wherever we went. And I said that we might settle down and get a few acres dug, with a fire burning in the hearth and babbies on the road. She said, oh man, you foolish man, it surely sounds like hell. You might be lord of half the world, but you're not on me as well. She was a rare thing, fine as a bee's wing, so fine I bet the wind might blow her away. She was a lost child, she was running wild. She said, as long as there's no price in love, I'll stay. You wouldn't want me any other way. We were camping down the Garrow one time, the work was pretty good. She thought we shouldn't wait for frost, I thought maybe we should. We were drinking more in those days, and tempers reached a pitch. Well, like a fool I let her run with the rambling itch. And last I hear she's sleeping out back on Derby Beat, with a white horse in her hip pocket and a wolf found at her feet. And they say she even married once a man named Romany Brown, but even a gypsy caravan is too much like settling down. And they say her flowers faded now, hard weather and hard booze, but maybe that's the price to pay for the chains that you refuse. She was a rare thing, fine as a bee's wing, so fine a bit the wind might blow her away. She was a lost child, she was running wild. She said, as long as there's no price in love, I'll stay. You wouldn't want me any other way. Yep. She was a rare thing, fine as a bee's wing. I miss her more than ever words could say. If I could just taste all of her wildness now, if I could hold her in my arms today, wouldn't want her any other way. Wouldn't want me any other way. The hungry feeling came o'er me squealing, and the mice were squealing in my prison cell. And the old triangle went jingle jangle all along the banks of the Royal Canal. And to begin the morning, the screw was bawling, well, get up, you bowsy, and clean out yourself. And the old triangle went jingle jangle all along the banks of the Royal Canal. Oh, the likes were sleeping, Hump Gussie was peeping, as I lay there weeping for my gal Sal. And the old triangle went jingle jangle all along the banks of the Royal Canal. Although the wind was rising and the day declining, as a lady I'm praying in my prison cell. And the old triangle went jingle jangle all along the banks of the Royal Canal. And the old triangle went jingle jangle all along the banks of the Royal Canal. Up in the female prison, there are 75 women, and it is amongst them that I wish I did dwell. And the old triangle went jingle jangle all along the banks of the Royal Canal. And the old triangle went jingle jangle all along the banks of back in. A quick 4 there. Fáilte a lads, má vín part. Come se go amachchas an dáhad seo. Sin. Anis.
Oh,
Duty. Not too bad. Someone there threw into the comments, it was like people were trying to guess the song, and I think I saw 4 guesses. I'm not sure the old triangle was in there actually, to be honest, but I just threw that one in at the end because it's in the same key. So, but all in the Fs, all Fs, by the way.
4 in a row, Steph. I thought you were going to do the whole live stream. I was going to get an old up my feet here.
Jez, I don't know. Sorry,
fair play.
I'm actually sweating like mad here. It's actually quite cold, but I put a radiator on here beside me, and the heat of the spot.
And tell us, did you get battered there with the old storm, with Storm Barra?
Well, we were in the orange zone. The first day now was fairly rough ride. Second day was lovely day. Lovely day altogether.
You had schools closed and everything, didn't you?
Yeah, schools were closed for everything. Yeah, but lovely day though. I suppose they didn't know it was going to be a nice day, so.
It was Cork and Kerry that got the real battering, wasn't it?
Yeah, absolutely.
Cork and Kerry got fairly annihilated, but
God love
anyway.
Jesus.
So there's a few people there. So Alan Kelly was the one who I think guessed. Well, maybe I'm not sure if he's the first. He was definitely guessed that it was going to be Bluckany to start with.
Bluckany, yeah.
Then so who was it that said about Sky Chéile?
Someone mentioned it. Yeah. And it wasn't that. And then also somebody else a few people mentioned Beeswing. So it was just like they guessed the first 3 songs.
Yeah, no. So I did see Beeswing. That's why I kind of jumped onto that one then. But somebody mentioned their Sky Chéile, and I said I'd just do it because I haven't done a Sky Chéile on the live stream in a long time. Long time. Who was it? Jeez, there's a lot of comments here. But, okay, I'm scrolling through all the comments here. It'd be all day trying to find the person. But what I did notice was that somebody's after saying that Rise has now hit 50,000 views on YouTube.
Woo. Amazing.
Yes, and that video was only put up last year, was it?
Oh, yeah, I think sorry, so. That one.
50,002 views. Yeah, that video was only put up last year, lads. That's the one we did with Wild Irish Wonder, like.
Yep, it surely is.
There's a lot of chat here. I think that anyone that's following the chat on YouTube, everyone's talking about trying to get it to 50,000 the last couple of weeks. So
the crackheads have done it. The crackheads have done it.
Thanks a million, guys. You guys are absolute legends.
You've cracked it.
You've cracked it. Oh,
do you know what we'll do, actually? If I think I have it here, let's do a bit of a celebratory viewing of Rise. Are you ready, guys?
Do you have it here?
Well, you guys won't be able to see it, but everybody at home will. We'll do a celebratory viewing of Rise. Here it is, 50,000 views!
Brannit timppel agus tógan ná War the chorna cin winds ar an rappel Nishig díru an scamal gyal Se fógur tari in a sal shuru an mam Tá láig tá dúlin Tá waitig bláisi mé Ská war a sin For we will rise Solid For what we build is an image of our lives. Let us be and show that we are proud. Another stone is something to stand up and reach the light. Tá láig tá dúlin Tá waitig bláisi mé Ská war a sin For we will rise Solid and we will fly For we will rise, solid, and we War the chorna cin winds are dowchaí.
50,000 views, and what a view it was!
Unreal.
Unreal.
That was top of Ben Bulben, actually, which is in County Sligo.
No, was it not? Was it not?
Errigal, sorry.
Donegal?
Was it
Errigal, yeah.
Yeah.
Apologies,
It was Errigal.
apologies. It's written on the fucking video that it's Errigal.
Jesus, Stefan. It's fine. It's fine.
Boy, what a clown I am. But it is Errigal.
Oh, that is some glass of water, Stefan. It's comically large.
It's from Hofbrauhaus in München.
Probably pure
very
vodka,
good.
is it? We've had the next installment of the Wild Irish Wanderer series planned for ages, and we just COVID put it on the long finger for ages, and then
Yeah.
when the lockdowns lifted, then we were just so busy with the album we still haven't gotten it
Yeah.
recorded. But the whole thing is ready to go.
Yeah,
There
it's
will
going to
be-
happen.
To the comments section. Do you enjoy the Wild Irish Wanderer series? Because it's something that we are, I think, going to continue if it's something you'd like to see. Because
Yeah.
the Wild Irish Wanderer is this amazing character who is constantly going out and about on the Irish landscapes and mountains and stuff. And I just think it's a really cool thing to, the footage that he has of Irish landscapes, and it's just, I think it's really exciting. But
Yeah, it
let
is.
us know if that's something you'd like us to keep doing.
It's a great way as well to get ideas of what mountains to hike and stuff around, like, as in if you're somebody who's into hiking around Ireland or whatever, like, and I know
Yeah,
it's
his
not-
page is unbelievable.
yeah, it's deadly. I know it's
class,
not
yeah.
exactly the season for it now, but it's going to come
Yeah.
around. You can get your ideas now and then. Christmas
He's
present.
still out and about, though.
Yeah, like, I mean,
Even in
there's
the
no
cold.
season not to. There's no reason not to go out. Like, as in, there's no such thing as bad weather, as they say.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Yeah. But that's the crack. That's the crack. Have any of you got a tune or a song?
We may give a little shout out here first,
Oh yeah.
because New World Jacobites' dad is after turning 80.
Unbelievable.
Happy birthday.
What is his name?
That I don't know.
We might come in.
La breha sonore, la breha sonore, la breha sonore, la breha sonore. Happy birthday!
Tom, happy birthday, Tom.
Happy birthday, Tom!
Hope you have
Well
a
done, Tom.
wonderful, wonderful day. Congratulations, and may have many more years of happiness and just happiness. That's the most important thing, isn't it? Fair play,
Haven't-
Tom. Fair play. Mila
Happy
Buchas,
birthday, Tom.
agus, law breast on the rights.
You!
I always feel I really want to sing along, but I know if I do, it's just going to come out
Yeah,
like
It's hard not to
like
sing
a
along to that
second
one.
after you sing it.
I was hesitant
got-
even throwing in the harmony there at the end. I was wondering would it come in or not.
You've got years of practice of like singing that song along with the
Yeah.
everyone else. I might play a song and stop
York.
talking shite.
That's all.
Your dirt. Just before you do, I want to say massive thanks. And if anyone does want to support us for this show, for this little performance that we do every Thursday, you can do so with the tip jar, which I'm going to post into the comments now.
Sorry, I just did.
Oh, you just did. Kev just did there. Happy days. I will throw it in the captions here then. Oh, you just did as well. So it's over there. So right down in that corner, beyond Keith, is the paypal.me/Sholin. You can throw in the price of a beer, the price of a Steiner, or a coffee or a wine or whatever. We really, really appreciate it. But of course, as always, there's absolutely zero pressure to do that. But we appreciate that. Thank you so much. Míle buíochas.
For me, Keith, take it away.
Yes, sir. I did a lot of firsts last week, the last two weeks, songs I haven't sang before, so I don't think I've sang this one. So let's keep that theme going. Even though, I haven't sang it lead, but obviously I played it before a lot because it's a Sholin song. So here we go.
Go.
walked to light and met with silence. I bide my time, but to what end? I hear whispers round the county, but you're forever in my head. Stay now, no mercy found. The shadow always walks behind you, across the street without eyes meeting. Some simple words are hard to find. I stay waiting for the time. I stay waiting for the time. For the knocking on my windowsill. I wait for yours 'cause I've said mine. Nothing worth the time comes easy. Oh, looking back, you had me bound. Sitting there and telling me what's real. I leave before I make a sound. I stay waiting for the time. I stay waiting for the time. For the knocking on my windowsill. I wait for yours 'cause I've said mine. Indifference has found its place in silence. The signs were there until the end. I should have called it from the start when I found you always loosely held my hand. Now on my own it seems much brighter. Oh, not green like us and we just kiss. And now we're short of what was never real. Well, good luck to him and his. Oh, I stay waiting for the time. I stay waiting for the time. For the knocking on my windowsill. I wait for yours 'cause I said mine. I wait for yours 'cause I said mine. Phew. Waiting for the time. A beautiful song written by our very own Kevin Shortall. As I always say about Kev, he doesn't write songs very often, but when he does, he'll blow your socks off. I'll do another song as well. Somebody said there that my guitar was too loud. Thank you very much for that. I pulled it back. Hopefully I haven't pulled it back too much. Alan Kelly, that mic sounds much better than the other one you're using. Thank you, Alan. It's a much nicer mic. Should have been using it all the time, but sure, I'm awful very silly, aren't I? But thank you. Somebody requested a song there. There's another song that I'm going to do as well. That was a request, but it's really dodgy, so I'd rather play something else first. No, we'll do the dodgy song first. Right, so Marinia Miller had put in a request for a Nirvana song, and I was like, I love Nirvana, so I'm going to try and do this. Hopefully I'm not going to butcher it, but like sometimes these things do happen. I know there was a few other requests in. There's one there from Alan as well. I'm going to try and get to that as well. But let's give this a go. God save us. Type it out.
Come as you are, as you will, as I want you to be, as a friend, as a friend, as an old memory. And take your time, hurry up, and choice is yours, don't be late. Take a rest, as a friend, as an old enemy, yeah. Memory, yeah. Memory, yeah. Memory, yeah. Come, douse in mud, soaked in bleach, as I want you to be, as a trend, as a friend, as an old memory, yeah. Memory, yeah. Memory, yeah. Memory, yeah. And I swear that I don't have a gun. No, I don't have a gun. No, I don't have a gun. Come as you are, as you were, as I want you to be, as a friend, as a friend, as an old enemy. Take your time, hurry up, choice is yours, don't be late. Take a rest, as a friend, as an old enemy.
Hello, everybody. I think we're all sorted. Can you just let me know if we're still live and if you can still hear me and all that kind of stuff? Because, and the lads, of course, too. Because we think we have it sorted.
We think so.
We're just waiting. Yes.
Hey,
Okay.
yeah.
All right. So it's all good. It's all good.
Amazing.
So anyone who wants to know what happened there is that my audio interface just disconnected from the Restream service for some reason. So I had to X out of Restream, plug in and plug out my audio interface, and then back into Restream, and it just started working. So basically I have no idea what happened, and the old turn on and turn off trick seemed to work once again.
I think what you meant to say is that it was Storm Barra, and
Barra.
it was completely out of your hands.
Storm Barra.
Storm Barra.
Ruining everything these days.
What a hooer. But no, so Keith, I was listening to most of, so I don't think I missed much of your singing because I was listening to Nirvana inside. No worries.
Yeah, I think it was only the end of the track that anyone pointed it out.
Probably for the best.
I wonder what happened. I could say I don't know what happened there. Just like when I checked the settings, just the Focusrite wasn't
An option.
I could still hear myself though. It was still working but within the computer. Do you know what I mean? Within the system, but just not with Restream. So then just
that's a weird
I
one.
like this comment. No audio interface. That's a bad audio interface.
Yeah, basically exactly that. Anyways, Kev, we have gone an hour and we haven't heard any tunes.
No tunes.
I'll play some celebratory horn pipes.
Oh, and by the way, Keith, it was nice to hear you sing "Waiting for the Time" for the first time. I've never heard you sing that one before.
Thank you.
Yeah, very cool.
never have.
Very, very cool. I've heard
very much.
obviously myself sing it, and I've heard Dahi sing it. So it was very cool. Very nice. Very, very nice.
It's also very different in standard tuning on the guitar.
So
Way
different,
nicer
isn't it?
in haghaidh.
Dang, yeah. No, it's
Suits
nice in
that guy
standard
that
too.
one.
Like it is. Like it's just different. Like, I suppose.
Yeah.
Do you know?
I enjoy singing it now. I love that song. I always love that
It's a
song.
great one. Tis a great one, alright. Right, Kevy. Let's hit some tunes. Let's get the ball rolling.
Let's
Gomila
go.
Mahdi, Kev.
Give us the tunes, Kev.
These are a couple of horn pipes I said I was going to play last week and I didn't. So I'll play them now. lesson to not always read the comments as you're playing, because I just looked up and it goes, I kind of want to know the name of Jersey Man's horse. which I'm not going to lie, I couldn't think of anything else. So, Keith, you might know a person called Jersey Man, and you might let people know what his horse's name is if you do know that. I will play. I wrote down a few tunes that I haven't played in a while, and one is Devani's Goat. So it's not Jersey Man's horse, but it is Devani's Goat. So we'll give that one a go. I suppose Delaney needs to name his goat as well anyway. Jersey Man's in the comments. Where is... Keith, people seem to think you know this guy. I don't think you do. I'd say Stefan has more of a chance of knowing him than you do.
People get wild notions, Kev. Do you know what I mean? People get very caught up in wild absurdities, such as me knowing who Jersey Man is. Because that's obviously
not true.
It's just not true. Like, no, I didn't even know who he was until someone linked him here in the comments.
Just like, hey, look! Oh my God, it's Batman! Nah, it's just some dude. That's Superman. Sorry, I'm getting confused. It's just that Clark Kent guy.
Yeah. Well,
he looks nothing like me.
I broke another string here.
You did not.
I did.
Do you know what? When you break one, you break many. But if you don't break one, you mightn't break one for ages.
That is very fucking wise. That is very wise. To be honest, in a sense, I'm kind of glad, because then that's two less that I have to change after the stream anyway. You know.
Happy days. Happy days.
I'm gonna have to restring these anyway, and now that's one that's gonna be strung the right way as well. Could one of you play a song or a tune in the meantime while I do this?
Yeah,
I'll play some songs. Do you want to do a tune, Kev?
Yeah, absolutely. I'll do I'll do O'Farrell's Welcome to Limerick, or the Swagger and Jig, that one. I haven't played in a while.
Go on, play the Swagger and Jig for a change.
I think that's the first time in a long time Stefan has broken two strings in a gig.
I'd say you're right, Kev.
Yeah, I think so. Like, as in, jump in there, Keith. It's weird hearing you and not seeing you.
Am I not in? Am I in?
You need to get
Come on.
yourself
No, I'm
away
on full
from-
screen.
Oh,
yeah.
sorry.
Yeah.
I was having. Didn't know what was going on there. I was like,
It's just like
but I pressed the button for being in.
everyone could hear you, but they couldn't see you.
Very good, very good, very good.
But,
Because you know
it's a live gig since you did that, Steve. I don't even remember you breaking a string on a live stream.
No, nor do I actually.
see the
Remember-
strings are a bit old, you know.
You're
and,
muted, actually, Steve, in case you are talking to us. But
Remember on the Aer Lingus stage in Milwaukee Irish Fest, and Stiff broke 4. Oh no, sorry, it wasn't actually all Stiff. I think Dahi broke 1. I think I broke 1 as well. But between us, we broke like 4 or 5 strings on the one guitar.
Yeah, and I actually remember that because it was one of the gigs that I actually didn't do much of the breaking. Dahi broke 2 and you broke 1, and I broke 1, I think.
Oh, right.
So, yeah, but just a quick, you don't actually ever need to mute me in this because I mute myself with, and then back in and I go.
Ah.
sorry, what did you say?
I've got a slider here that I mute with, so you don't actually need to.
Nice one.
Basically, he's saying X-nay on the mute. What do you got for us, Steve?
I'm gonna try something different.
We like that. I'm
we'll
going to
see
do a dance.
We see how this goes now, but maybe a bit fun. Hey everybody. It's time to come back in and say hello to all the crackheads out there. And it's also a pretty apt time of year to wish everybody a happy Christmas. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Let your heart be light. Next year all our troubles will be out of sight. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Make the Yuletide gay. Next year all our troubles will be miles away. Oh, once again, as in olden days, happy golden days of yore. Oh, faithful friends who are dear to us will be near to us once more. Someday soon we'll all be together, if the fates allow. Until then, we'll have to muddle through somehow. So have yourself a merry little Christmas It's a bit of Elvis singing a bit of Frank Sinatra, so I don't really know what the crack is with that. But I might throw out a little kind of a happier maybe type of song. Need to make sure I'm in the right key though. Okay, let's try this. Rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you can see everybody wants to stop. Rocking around the Christmas tree, let the Christmas spirit ring. Later we'll have some pumpkin pie and we'll do some caroling. You will get a sentimental feeling when you hear voices singing, let's be jolly. Dolls with boughs of holly, you're rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you can see every couple wants to stop. Rocking around the Christmas tree, let the Christmas spirit ring. Later we'll have some pumpkin pie and we'll do some caroling. You will get a sentimental feeling when you hear voices singing, let's be jolly. Deck dolls with boughs of holly and rocking around the Christmas tree. Have a happy holiday. Everybody dancing merrily in the new old-fashioned way. And you will get a sentimental feeling when you hear voices singing, let's be jolly. Deck dolls with boughs of holly and rocking around the Christmas day. Have a happy holiday. Everyone dancing merrily in the new old-fashioned way. Okay, I'm gonna try to do something here. I'm gonna just make up a song on the spot. Here we are, celebrating Christmas time. And here we are, unthankful it's Thursday, having a great time. We've got Deborah Allen McCarthy, Chandelier Lavers too. We got Leon, Jake, and Yannick Wiggers giving some comments in the comments section. Here we are, having a great time. And here we are, requesting some great songs. We got concerned about crows and hazelnut and Stephen Savage. He just said, all right, mate, how are you? Oh, here we are, celebrating Christmas. Oh, here we are, celebrating We got Christine Stockdale and Rebecca too. Cynthia Fry with some great requests again, and Michelle Brown. Here we are, celebrating Christmas time. Here we all are, celebrating Christmas. We got Kate Derrick Holmes, a Michelle Brown, a Stephen Savage's mate, but I don't think his name is real. Here we are, celebrating Christmas. Here we are, celebrating Christmas. We got Russell Carlson and Jessica Armstrong. We got Bianca Nass and Alan Kelly. Hi, Alan. Here we are, all the crackheads together. And here we are. I don't know how long I can keep this going. And we got Will Burton. Do you like me mug, Will? From London town. We don't know where Dahi is. Is he around? And I know that I wanna see snow falling this Christmas. Together for one massive gig. Here we are, celebrating Christmas. Here we are, celebrating Christmas. Celebrating Christmas. And that's just a random song. That's I don't know where the fuck that came from, to be honest. But it was a bit of a shout out, really, more than anything else, to as many people that were tuning in. But yeah, I might do a real Christmas song in a while. Here we are, celebrating Christmas. Jeez, you picked it up pretty quick.
I think it's a good song.
It was a really difficult melody.
I quite like it.
The lyrics are pretty tough as well, you know.
I know, hard hitting. Hard hitting. A lot of characters to keep track of, but I mean, once it's a bit like Game of Thrones.
I feel like I was just about to say that exact sentence. A bit like Game of Thrones. Oh, may the Lord save and bless us. Oh, it's good to get a bit of a shout.
Any of those characters based on people we know?
Any of those what, sorry?
Any of those characters based on people we know?
You know, they're all just completely made up names. It just came to me in the moment. You know, I don't know where they came from. You know, but I feel like I know them. You know.
I want to hear more about this Gabhagaí character.
Yeah, who's the Dahi guy?
Dahi.
I feel like I want to get to know him, but I feel like he'd, you know, there'd be a lot going on. You know, he'd be a lot of work. Like, do you know what I mean?
A lot of logistics to work out.
I don't know. I'm getting old. Like, I don't know if I have time for that in my life anymore. To be honest with you.
No, don't say that. Don't say things you can't take back. Joking or not.
You take it back. Take it back. You're
We love
lying.
Dahi. We love Dahi.
Yeah.
That was good though. I missed half of that. I came back during it because I went off to make myself a cup. And
Very good.
What?
Did you see Elvis on the way?
it's a good question, Keith. I was trying to remain grown up by just saying a cup, but it's a hot chocolate.
Amazing.
I did make it a grown up hot chocolate, however.
Hey, listen,
with
Kev. You live your life the way you want to live your life. Don't subscribe to any archetypes of adulthood.
Yeah, it's all
It's
fake.
a
all fake.
grown up hot chocolate. There is no marshmallows and it's laced with alcohol.
It's all
Alcohol
fake.
in a hot chocolate.
Yeah, Bailey's.
Duh.
Yeah,
I know. I didn't know either. I just said duh.
I'd say that's quite nice.
it's delish.
God, no, yeah, now I want that. I have this, but since you said that, I want that.
I got one of these like 2 or 3 Christmases ago, like just while I was out doing like Christmas shopping in Dublin City, and it was just like it was real crisp, cold kind of, you know, classic Christmas weather, and I was just like, I want something warm. And then I just saw a big sign on Grafton Street that said Bailey's hot chocolates. And it's like, I'm having one of those.
Don't you love when somebody's selling exactly what you want?
Yeah,
Precisely what you want.
Yeah.
Bailey's hot chocolate is a kind of a, yeah, just it's a nice drink. Like it's a comforting drink, whereas like a hot port is more of a, I don't know, an evening drink. Even though it is evening, so I'm contradicting myself. But anyway,
Moving swiftly along.
Hot port. No, I haven't had one of them. I had a few hot whiskies in the last while, but I need to get on the port. I think it's where.
hot port's a real Christmas time drink.
Yeah, for me too. It's kind of coming back into that time, isn't it?
Yeah.
Keith just
Sorry
dipped
about
out there for a second. How are you, Keith? Welcome back.
Sorry about that. Might play a song or two, will I?
Absolutely, my friend.
Here we are, celebrating Christmas. I honestly think that's a good song, Steph.
Oh,
It's still in my head, like.
Well, I did say those exact lines and sing them about 100 times.
I mean, yeah, you could maybe do 1 or 2 fewer courses, but
I think that could be made into a song. That's all I'm saying. Somebody mentioned about who was it? Sarah T was saying that we should make a Christmas album. Now, what do you think of that?
I actually would love to do that at some point.
Yeah,
Oh, sugar.
I'd love to do like at least an EP anyway.
Yeah,
Maybe an
definitely.
album.
Once we get this album over, it could be something we work on, definitely.
yeah.
Because I'd love to
It's
find,
the time of the year.
I'd love to like find kind of obscure enough Christmas songs. But then again, you want the kind of the good ones, don't you?
That's it.
Yeah.
And just do like a cool version of the good ones. It wouldn't actually be that difficult when you think about it. Like,
really.
like don't get me wrong, it'll be a lot of work and stuff. But I mean, like, as in, yeah, I think it'd come together quick enough if we were to set our minds to it.
A few originals as well.
Liam Jake. Oh, come on, ye crackheads.
Oh, come all ye crackheads, joyful and triumphant.
Oh, come all ye crackheads too.
We don't mean the drug.
internet.
Yeah, I was going to say, as we usually encounter with that name, there is a problem.
I went downtown singing that song we did on the live stream the other night, and it was a fucking disaster.
Got
You
kicked out
could
of
have
everywhere.
seen.
Yeah, it's probably not a. Oh, holy night, the clouds stars are brightly shining. This is the night of our sweet Saviour boy.
I really thought you were going to fit crackheads in there somewhere.
All on your knees. Oh, I like the sound of this.
And hear the crackheads' voices. Or calling.
Hear the crackheads' voices all night. Divine all night. Sorry.
Isn't it great to have reverb?
Just right there, ready to go.
Alrighty then. Name the movie. If anyone names the movie, I'm going to be so pleased with you.
If Dahi was here, he'd name that movie.
If Dai was here, also unbelievably pleased.
I don't know if I said it out loud there.
See if anyone names the movie while you're playing that song, Keith.
I'm going to do it one
I
more
know
time.
you've tried to start it several times now. It's been named.
And Dame Hillary Strip, you're on the ball, but that's not the right name. Linda sweeps in for the kill. Ace Ventura. Yes! Get up! Love it.
Liam Jake with the full title.
Boom. Love that.
In fairness.
Hey. What are we accepting here?
Me
Sorry,
and
go on.
Dahi are unbelievable fans of that movie. We both love it.
All in the space of about 30 seconds, 5 correct answers came in. Not even 30 seconds, about 3 seconds.
Right, will you go away there and I'll play a few songs? Christ.
Just gonna mute him.
That was lovely. So there was a few requests in earlier on for some Kobara songs, so I might do one or two of them. God, I really want to watch Ace Ventura now. Might do that after this. I was much too young when she found me. Dumb heart just never stood a chance. The sweetest summer months went past I'd ever had. So one can live like this, two souls on a sinking ship. Let it die to live, let it die to live. 'Cause night always comes. I never felt so alive as when I was with you, my darling. And now I see you around with somebody new. Oh, and does he make you smile? Does he even care? Oh, I can take you anywhere. I never felt so alive as when I was with you. I never felt so alive. In the night her ghost betrays me, comes back to haunt my memories. She steals into my heart and leaves eternally. No one can live like this, two souls on a sinking ship. Let it die to live, let it die to live, and lose either way.
I could take you anywhere. I never felt so alive as when I was with you. With you, I never felt so alive. Please don't sing to me. I can't remember the last time poison tasted so sweet. You tear me asunder, my darling. Please don't sing to me. Oh, I can't remember the last time poison tasted so sweet. You tear me asunder, my darling. Oh, no. Oh, I never felt so alive as when I was with you, my darling. And now I see you around and it's nothing new.
Thank you very much. So that was Never Felt So Alive. I'll do another one. This is one actually I've rarely done, I think. I released it this year. And it's called Addict to Your Love.
I don't know what I've got in my future, in my heart. Travel back where I came from, try to find where I belong. Seems a shame to go to waste, trying to forget the taste. Like a hand wearing a glove, I'm an addict to your love. I'm an addict to your love. To the friend I once knew, I will write this song for you. Too nostalgic to go on, too embarrassed to stay long. Seems I'm changing every day, don't know if it's the right way. Once the panic hits my blood, I'm an addict to your love. I'm an addict to your love. To the ones who stole my heart, I have loved you from the start. Times have changed.
God in my future, in my heart. Travel back where I came from, try to find where I belong. So that is Addict to Your Love. Thanks very much for all the lovely comments there. From yous all. Gurb Mila Mahagui, thank you very much. How are the bookles? How are the bookles? How are the bookles? How are the bookles?
It was actually very good, Keith, because when you were close to the mic, you were like, because you're explosive on bookles, it was like hitting it like a kick drum.
Ah, nice. See, I did that on purpose. That was designed in a musical laboratory.
Yeah, it was really good.
Oh, but the Lord saves them blesses. Well, more on my fucking match too. No one was together.
Neil.
Yeah.
But I think I'll play an old tune anyway.
Yeah,
Kevin,
definitely.
I'd love you to play an old tune.
It'd be handy cool if I could play it like this. It's all on the pull, like.
We do tuning one because you can go here agus shin master.
Good.
Shin
Yeah.
plan.
Super deluxe.
Super Deluxe.
The super deluxe Kevin package.
Did Stefan and Kevin get their haircut together? We did not.
No,
But you did get your hair
Answer
cut.
that burning question.
we're just we're in haircut synchronicity.
Yeah. We just feel we need a haircut at the same time, and then we come on a live stream and we both realise we did it earlier that day.
Yeah,
Guys, there's lots of discussion about this shut in Discord that and you know we need to join this Discord. We need to do like an.
I'm in it.
Are you on it regularly, Kev?
Yeah, I'm an admin on it.
Oh,
Do you be on it though on the reg?
Yeah, I look at it every now and then.
Oh, very good. Oh well.
Yeah, regularly enough, like every couple of days.
Okay, well then I need to join it.
so do I. I have not joined it either. So I should do that.
Yeah, it's cool. Like, as in, that's like where everyone got together and made the congratulations card for your wedding, Stiff, and like for Connor as well. And
Yeah, it's
Oh
so
yeah,
cool.
yeah.
that all happens through Discord.
That was nice.
Oh, it's just an app. It's not like it's not on the browser.
No, it is. It should be in the browser. Isn't it?
Yeah, you can go in the browser. You just need a. I don't spy on you. Sorry,
What?
Hazelnut there was just like, Kev spies on us. He doesn't post. I was like, I don't post. I'm just reading.
He's in the corner watching.
He's keeping an eye on everything.
Interminably waiting.
Doing weird accordion stuff.
To be fair, like the admin work of Discord is heavily borne by other admins, such as Rebecca. So
Says who?
Rebecca set it up in the first
Fair play,
place.
Rebecca. Yeah, I remember that. Fair play, Rebecca.
Yeah. So, but yeah, no, it's happened most of the time. There's like there's an Irish language practice section of it and stuff, and it's really cool.
I'm registering right now.
Yeah,
So I'm looking over here. It's because I'm
Yeah.
looking at the other screen, registering on Discord. That's what's happening.
You're right, lad. Right, I'll do a few podcasts. I haven't done them in yonks.
Well, so the end of a couple of No.
Huh?
So, but just before we want to say, before Kev moves on, I just want to say a massive thank you to everyone who has tipped us tonight. You're absolutely fantastic. We had
Thanks so much.
really great fun. We're going to finish up soon enough, and I have to say, really appreciate all the energy you've given us with the comments and everything, all the support and everything. I'll throw the chip jar in here one more time if anyone does fancy it. We're having a great time with you, and we really appreciate it. So, thanks for sticking with us. You're the absolute best. The best
Thank you
in
indeed.
the whole wide world. Mille buíochas.
Right.
Okay, Kev.
I said I missed the American week, so I had to put in some sort of American tune in at the end. Thanks so much, everyone. Bit of crack just to finish up, but thanks for all the support and everything you do for us. You're fab.
Just a wonderful, wonderful bunch.
I love that.
A great bunch of lads.
And ladies. What have you got for us, Stefan?
Stefan.
That's a French ass name, Stefan.
Let's see if I can do this now.
I was trying to think why I said it that way. Why you said it eventually.
I knew what you were impersonating before you knew what you were impersonating. Spot the guys who spend a lot of time together.
Be an haghaidh Smeig garden an altar Der shanar nyakinum Shimanol Gabhagaí Cashe oran On rare al mountain dew From me mo young cue Is my cream refuse Yo listen gone Rucha mach take go hey Harry mistimachri Gerlin and lean shuru Nishnali kanachit Is too much levi Fekim ar loitiach Smegachra tau On the car, her news bars, on the hound on the whore. Ni not see gon ni not see gon for. Do the hope to my love at our gate, not like the of. He all to gon broad risk a hurrah and to teal. So we downs to the glow to bannerine the higher road. Near the kirchliche Schleip, near the Flaxbury Harbor. So natural Galuska, my Christian muscles, with a bogus at house, a gun in leaf wind steel. Isn't corn and my beard. Choir see the casse Galway Bay It's the Calais die shine to mach Every macht they do 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 do
stu a bum, stu a punk, hanch glítach junk, sínta grab punch in hall, mar bach cáileach sa blúd. A llíbí na chunis, cac smutsín an dunis, nolig honam mahún, is nar feged ríist con. Is an coron and my PDC de casa, Galway Bay. Is na clig, is shines amach, a vremach day. Bhí síl bra rúmsa, well sin der gachtainna, skilb tú má fringod wim, chéad lá a chas mé earth, siad lom a gúni béid. Het dasce mo chrí, na fag man nisivrí, stú bon is bar mo híl se. Is an coron and my PDC de casa, Galway Bay. Is na clig ní shines amach, vremach day. Da 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 da. It's an coron and my PDC de casa, Galway Bay. Is the click me shines amach, vremach day. Da 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 da. It's an coron and my PDC de casa, Galway Bay. It's na clig, the shines amach, vremach day. Don't know what I'm doing, to be honest. That's it though. Guys, got a mille mahe gachtene. As an yere de yenin shibachoin, Guni, for everything you do for us. We really appreciate all the support, everything. You're just an absolute fantastic bunch. We hope you have a wonderful week. And we'll be back here again next Thursday. We will be next Thursday, no problems. And yeah, so it's getting closer and closer to Christmas, 2 weeks out. And we hope you're having a great one. We hope you're really enjoying the season. Love all the money that e'er I had, I spent it in good company, and of all the harm that e'er I've done, alas, it was to none but me. But since it fall, but all I've done for want of wit, to memory now I can't recall. So fill to me the parting glass, Good night and joy be with you all. Oh, and if I had money enough to spend and leisure time to sit a while, there is a fair maid in this town, and she surely has my heart haghaidh. Her rosy cheeks, her ruby lips, I own she has my heart enthralled. So fill to me parting glass, good night and joy be with you all. And of all the comrades that e'er I had, they are sorry for my going away. And of all the sweethearts that e'er I've had, they would wish me one more day to stay. But since it falls unto my lot that I should rise and you should not, I gently ride night softly call. Good night and joy be with you all. Good night and joy be with you all. Mashib, haghaidh. Thanks, man. You're absolutely mighty. Feckin' with Chib and Tachtan Chung. We'll see you next week for another Thank Folk. Slán agaí.